what I've been doing, but today I'm going to be reading some of my favorite series of books. So I'm gonna put the book up on. Right, hold on. Oh, upside down. Dogman. So today I'm just gonna be reading Dogman today. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do a part 2 of this because you can tell it's a really long book, but I might be able to do this. Okay, let's start. Dogman by Dav Pilkey. I might as well read this. Dogman, behind the scenes. One time, George met Harold in kindergarten. Nice to meet you. Me too. They became best friends and started making comics. Their very first comic was an epic novel called The Adventures of Dogman. Action, laughs, fleas. Even though they spelled it too wrong, both of those wrong, is kind of cute. Oh. Over the years, they made tons of Dogman comic books. Then one day, in 4th grade, they got a new idea. They started making a new comic, Captain Underpants. Soon, their lives got really complicated. There was danger, horror, zap, and ridiculous convolution plot lines. And just when it seemed like things couldn't get any worse, things got better. Hey, all the drama had come to an end, but there were still lots of unanswered questions. Where are our doubles? Where's Tony, Orlando, and Dawn? George and Harold searched their tree house for clues, but soon they got distracted. Hey, look! Wow, cool, Dogman versus Mega. It's a box full of old Dogman comics we made when we were kids. Hey, I forgot all about these. They read for hours. Ha 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 ha! I crack me up. Look how you used to draw, old school. And look how bad you used to spell. Well, what should we do now? Let's make a new comic book about Captain Underpants? Nah, let's do something different. How about a Dogman comic? Okay. And together the two friends wrote and drew and laughed all afternoon. George tried to spell more better, dictionary. Harold tried to draw more simpler. And thus Dogman was reborn anewish. Class, enjoy it. Dogman, Chapter 1. A hero is unleashed. Dogman. Beep, beep. Wait. Itch. Okay. Beep, beep. Luke and Andrew's furniture. Oh boy. My couch is here. She's a real beauty, Chief. I know. We put it in your office. Thanks, fellas. I can't wait to be the first one to sit on it. Calling all cops. Come to my office. You can watch me break in my brand new couch. Oh boy, this is gonna be great. Hey! Officer Knight and Greg the dog. You got dirty shoes and dog hair everywhere. You're the worst cops ever. Get out of my sight. Aw man, Chief is really mad at us again. I wish we could do something heroic to impress him. Uh-oh. That cop and that police dog are back. Who cares? Aren't you worried about those two? Heck no. Check this out. Officer Knight is a tough cop. Kung Fu grip. Those boots were made for kicking. But he ain't got no brains, duh. And Greg the dog is smart, thinky. But his body is his weakness. Fleas, pew. Can't drive a car, can't punch. Yeah, but what if they work together? That might be a problem. Hold on. Be a problem. Fortunately, I've got a solution. Bomb. Tee-hee. Help! It's a bomb. Officer Knight and Greg ran to defuse the bomb. Which wire should I cut? Red or green? Okay, green it is. And so, snip, kablooey. Oh no, I forgot dogs are colorblind. Wee wee. And soon, hospital. How do you feel, old friend? Rough. Me too. Looks like a mummy, kind of. Soon the doctors came in with super sad news. Boo-hoo. Who? I'm sorry, Greg, but your body is dying. And your head is dying too, cop. Rats! I sure hate my dying head. But just when all seemed lost, hey, why don't we sew Greg's head onto Cop's body? I don't know why, but I feel uncomfortable with that. Good idea, nurse lady. You're a genius. Hooray! So they had a big operation. The doctor cut off Greg. We're just gonna pretend sewed on Greg's head and sewed it onto Cop's body. I just feel uncomfortable. What a lucky day. And soon a brand new crime-fighting sensation was unleashed. Hooray for Dogman! The news spread quickly. City news. Dogman is world's greatest cop. Rats! I unwittingly created the greatest cop of ever. Fortunately, I know just how to stop him. The next day. Well. So you're the world's most greatest cop, eh? Well, you better watch your step around here, bub. I'm gonna keep my eye on you. What? Hold on. I dropped it. I'm gonna keep my eye on you. Well, what do you have to say for yourself? Lick. Get out of here! Poor Dogman's day had started out badly. But things were about to get worse. So guys, I think that's good for this video. I will definitely put out the next part of the book soon, but look out for the next part. So yeah, bye!